How's it guys, everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. Welcome to this channel. If it's your first time right here, I haven't done a tutorial in a while, a Final Cut Pro tutorial that is. I'm gonna bring you guys some keyboard shortcuts, 3 of them, 3 keyboard shortcuts that you will need when you work on your audio in Final Cut Pro. Let's get it. So first of all, guys, I'm not an audio engineer, of course, but everything that I'm gonna talk about today are things that I'm using when I edit my video, YouTube video, simple YouTube video, or some more complex project as well. So before I talk about the shortcuts, first thing first, do not trust your headphones. Do not trust your computer. Do not trust your phone. Do not trust your headphones. Whenever you work on your audio, whenever you work on your sound, whenever you work on all these effects and all that stuff, the sound design of your project, you always need to look at the audio level or audio meters. To get the levels on your Final Cut Pro, all you have to do is actually to press Shift Command 8. Of course, you always want to watch your audio meters or audio levels because you don't want to go too far above -6. The sweet spot is actually between -12 and -6. For music background, I usually aim for -24 or something like that. At least that's what I know, or that's what I do. So yeah, between -12 and -6, maybe some -3, the high pitch will be -3. But you don't want to go all the way to 0, and you definitely don't want to go past 0. That's why you can't trust your device or your headphone, because you can actually increase the volume on your device and you feel like, oh, that's too loud or that's too soft. But your audio levels will never lie. You will know the truth with your audio levels and the truth. So what's the next keyboard shortcut? I'm glad you asked. I don't know about you guys, but it's so frustrating when you try to change the volume of your audio and you want to hit certain decibel or certain level and you just can't really get there. As an example, if you have a talking head like this or any project that has someone talking and you want to add a music background, so you don't want the music to be as loud as the talking, this is what we usually do to avoid that. We drag this line right here and it will reduce or lower the volume of the music. And to be honest with you guys, sometimes it's just really hard to get to that level where that's the sweet spot that I really want to get to. And the truth is, in editing or content creation in general, we want as much control as possible. Matter of fact, it doesn't matter what it is, we always want control. And yeah, that's us, human beings. We always want control. World domination. And it's the same in life, actually. We always feel insecure when we don't have control. But that's not the video. We're not doing personal development, right? Okay, so we want control as much as possible. And to gain control on how to lower the volume or increase the volume, you just have to go to the audio inspector and you can actually move the slider down or up, and that's very simple, right? But even with that, sometimes we move the mouse like, too strong to the left or too strong to the right. And so the other trick is to actually click on these numbers right here and type the exact number that you want, like 5 decibel, 3 decibel, type the decibels that you want. But there is a way with keyboard shortcuts that will help you incrementally change the decibel level, either increase your volume or decrease your volume by 1 decibel. And to do that, to have control over the volume of your audio, all you have to do is to press Control. Yes, Control. Control dash to lower your volume by 1 decibel, and Control equal to increase your volume by 1 decibel. Actually, it's just Control and the minus and the plus sign on your keyboard. Yeah, minus for lowering the volume and plus for increasing the volume. So this is what I usually do. I put the audio there and I start to just drag it first. And of course, I'm always looking at my audio levels or audio meters. And so I drag it first and then I Control minus or Control plus after that, Control dash or Control equal after that. Try to incrementally change the volume to see the difference. Now, sometimes you just want to work on one clip. Yeah, because sometimes one clip has a weird audio or something like that and you want to fix it, you want to focus on that one clip. And to do that, maybe you want that specific clip to be played over and over again. So here is the keyboard shortcut to do that. Select the clip that you want to work on and just press slash. Slash will play that clip over and over again, will loop that clip, and you won't have to even type anything else. You can just work on the audio of that specific clip. Actually, it also works if you select 2 clips or 3 clips. It plays your selection, the selected clips over and over again, or it loops the selected clips for you so that you can work on your audio. All right, guys, 3 shortcuts that will help you when you work on your audio on Final Cut Pro. And there are some other Final Cut Pro tutorial on this channel. If you're interested in that, press the like button. Of course, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.